Great intro.
Molly, we're gonna try and paint my dog's nails.
Wrong way.
Molly, come here. Molly, get. Oh. No, you are not going out until we paint your nails.
Oh, Molly!
Go on the bed.
Molly!
Come on. Come on. Come on.
Molly!
No. Molly, come here. Come on. Come on. Ah! No. Come here.
Molly!
I got it. Run downstairs. Oh, we should run downstairs and get a treat.
She's gonna like kill us if we try to get out the door.
Okay.
Really, just bright colors.
Molly, come here, Molly. Come on. Okay, okay. I'll try and get a treat.
Molly, here.
You entertain.
Molly.
No.
It's so difficult painting at the.
No. No. All right. Lay down. Wait, maybe we should put something under her feet. Get some paper.
It's too late. She's on the bed.
Get my towel. Go get a towel from the bathroom.
I just use that towel.
No, I use that for my hair and body.
So it'll be washed eventually.
Eventually.
Okay, she's not. She's chill. She's chill.
Okay, okay.
Like,
Are you
don't let her lick it. I don't know if you're allowed to eat this stuff.
No, Molly, calm down. No. I got a paw, not painted. I don't think it's gonna work. Oh yeah. Well, how can I let it dry?
Just don't let her.
No. Wait, here. Wait, I have another treat for you. Okay, wait. Hold her paw. Grab her paw. While I get the other treat out and let her watch it.
Wait, where's the tree?
In my pocket. In my back pocket. Hold her paw. She got some on my computer.
Molly, get
Molly! Look. Come on, bed.
Oh, you're gonna get out of my pants.
Lay down. Sit. Okay, I'll get her. Wait, you do it. Wait. Ah!
Where's
Oh, this
Molly?
turn thing right here. Wait. I'm like torturing the poor dog with this treat.
I have to come down here.
Okay, keep watching the treat. How are we gonna get that back foot?
Okay, I'm gonna get everything.
What else? They're getting washed at some point. They don't get washed till Friday though.
Well, it's like you got green goop on your thingy until Friday. What is that? What is that? What is that? Whatever it is, it's gone now.
They even lift up her foot if you need to. Set down the green nail polish.
I don't want to distract her from the treat.
No! So that was kind of anticlimactic. We didn't get the whole chase scene. Oh, she got it on my head. No! Sit down. Sit.
Did it get off again?
Wait. Wait. I don't think this is gonna work.
Where's the blue fast dry?
It's right there by my thing. It dries really fast. Right by the stereo.
Stereo system. This goes out to anyone.
I have two. Oh.
She's like, oh my gosh, it's overwhelming. This one dries really fast?
Well, I don't know. It dries pretty fast anyway. Molly, no.
That one's really cold, I guess. She really did not like that
No,
one.
lick it. Oh,
She got
let's
mad
give up.
about
Let's
that
give
one.
up. Let's give up.
God.
Sit. Instead, well, let's watch her do a cool trick. Turn the camera. Wait. Wait. Okay. Oh, wait, no.
Oh!
Wait, I have another one. Molly! Molly! Sit. Let's see if you can do it this time. Wait. You're getting 3 treats out of this woman. Wait. 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 Okay. Oh, yeah!
Oh!
Did you get that on camera?
I think so. Hopefully.